Chalo, let me ask you this. When was the last time you held a phone that was so thin it almost felt unreal? That's exactly what Samsung is trying to do with the brand new Galaxy S25 Edge. At just 5 mm thick, this is the slimmest premium flagships of 2025. But here's the question. Is the sleek phone actually practical or just a design gimmick? And most importantly, and should you spend 97,000 on it or go for something else? Let's find out. Let's discuss price and its variants. The S25 Edge comes in two variants. One, 256 GB storage with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB storage with 12 GB RAM. Well, there's no expandable storage this time, just like any other modern flagship phones. In India, it starts at around 97,999 online, and globally it's priced at $629. Not bad considering it sits right between budget friendly Galaxy A series and the ultra expensive Ultra series. This is where the phone shines. Let's discuss design and build. It is just 5 mm thin and weighs only about 163 grams, lighter than most of the flagships we have seen in years. It's got a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 shield, which makes it strong, durable, despite being so slim. Plus, it has IP68, water and dust resistant, meaning accidental drops in water or dust won't easily damage your phone. Well, that's a good one. Samsung is offering this premium phone in titanium icy blue, silver, and jet black, which looks super premium. Now let's talk about the gorgeous display. You get a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with Quad HD plus resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. Basically, it's super sharp, colors pop, and the brightness goes all the way up to 1416 nits. So, sunlight visibility is not at all a problem. It also supports 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything smooth whether you're scrolling Instagram or playing or editing. And with 480 Hz dimming, flicker is reduced, so it's easier on your eyes. Let's discuss performance. Under the hood, the Samsung S25 Edge runs on Snapdragon 8 Elite paired with 12 GB RAM. If you don't know what that means, let me explain you in simple words. This is one of the fastest processors available in 2025. Multitasking, gaming, video editing, everything feels smooth and lag free. Samsung promises 7 years of Android updates. This phone will last long in terms of software support. Here's where things get interesting. Camera. The main camera is a 200 megapixel camera, 200 megapixel wide sensor. Yes, 200 megapixels. Best for stable shots. You also get 12 megapixel ultra wide camera for the best group shots and landscapes. The camera can shoot videos for up to 8K at 30 FPS, which is insane detail, or 4K at 120 FPS for buttery smooth slow motions. On the front, you get 12 megapixel front camera which can shoot up to 4K videos. So whether you're vlogging or making reels, the quality is top notch. Now the trade-off for being so slim. The battery. It's a 3900 mAh battery, smaller than most flagships today. However, Samsung claims 12 hours of active use, and in real world terms, this means you'll get through a day with light to moderate use. But heavy users will need a top up by the evening. Charging is 25 watts wired, which gives you 55% in 30 minutes, plus 15 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for your earbuds. Let's discuss the deal breaker. If you're someone who values design, sleekness, and premium looks, then Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is perfect for you. But if you're a power user who needs all day battery life and multiple camera lens for versatility, you might want to look at S25 Ultra or S25 Plus instead. So, what do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge the most stylish flagship of 2025? Or is it just a slim phone with compromises? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed tech reviews. See you in the next one.